Super busy, very interesting. We're meeting lots of new prospects. I would say the trends are definitely AI and consolidation of different tools. So that's what we see a lot nowadays.
Tech Show has been lovely for our company. I think we have a lot of clients that have signed with Ops Level that are here. So we like to develop that relationship further with them.
This show is important. I'm looking forward to seeing, what the world of technology has to offer.
Keeping on top of future technologies and making sure that we are totally at the top of our game, really.
When you are consuming content online, it's usually passive, whereas here, you can network with the people that you've listened to. As a speaker myself, I enjoy that part because I get to hear what my audience is interested in, and I learn from the audience as well.
In the DevOps environment, everything is moving, is evolving. There are more tools coming around, so it's important for companies to be aware of this and also to be more dynamic in the approach, and they are not stuck.
We need to understand what people's real issues are, because sometimes what looks to be important is different from what's a challenge in reality.
People really like to engage with the people that we have on the panel. We get the stalwarts of the industry, but also the new upstarts who are coming through, which is great for everyone.
For us, it's the only big tech show we do in the year, so it's super important for us.
It's a good way to kind of connect with other peers, understand how your competition is marketing, show why you're the best.
We love the mixture of the crowd. This is like an amusement park for technologies.